na ako.
Lahat ng manager, hindi sa tulad nahihirapan.
Oh, nahihirapan ng ate mo?
Naiipitan siya.
Naiipit ang bata. Sakay na rin ako.
Atin ako. Sabay ka na dito, Erwin.
Bakit tatlo tayo dyan?
Oo, pwede yan. Kasi maiipitan siya ni Pam.
Kailangan solo. Ano na sabi ko?
Wait lang.
I-divide mo nga ate. Okay. Magkano? Si Erwin na bahala sa akin.
앞에서 직진하세요. 그리고 직진하세요. 전방에 신호 위반 단속 카메라가
How
있습니다.
much?
Pam, yung bayad kanina, pati bayad ngayon, sa ano na lang, Sibang.
Sige, go.
Thank you.
Ilan?
Ano may ano?
Excuse me. What we're going here? Taiwan?
Yes po.
Yeah, I'm just following the ways.
Okay po.
400m 앞에서 우회전입니다.
야, 그런데 저는 한국 사람이에요. Korean이에요, Korean. Yeah.
Go ahead.
You first time ride Korean driver?
Ah, yes po.
Yeah. Student? 학생이에요? 학생, student. You student?
Yes.
Where you study? Where?
PUP po.
POP. Where is POP? You
Santa
stay?
Mesa po.
Ah, there? Santa Mesa. You college?
Yes po.
What program you
Ito
study?
kasi 25.
Financial management.
Hmm?
Financial management.
What is that? What's that?
It's a business. It's a finance.
Related to
Yeah.
banking.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Banking industry.
You work in bank after
Yeah.
study?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can work with
Can work
Lang na,
there?
yun lang kasi ang parang.
can also choose to work in insurance,
Oh, yeah. Yeah, true.
trading, and
전방에
investment.
신호 위반 단속 카메라가 있습니다.
Yeah, 그런데 LM이요. What is your name? What is your name?
Eliza po.
Eliza. How about Dodo? Your
My
name?
name is Jacob.
Aris.
Jacob.
Jacob?
Jacob.
Jacob?
Aris.
Jacob. Jacob.
Jacob?
Yeah.
Yes.
I heard Jacob.
It's a
Donald.
Yeah. Is it it? Your
She's the owner.
But
You-
her name is
Yeah, I'm not the owner.
JACO.
Oh, yeah.
She's the owner.
She's the CEO.
Soon to be.
And
Yes.
you, how about you? What's your name?
Aris.
Aris.
Like the zodiac sign.
Aris? Oh,
Yeah.
you have a big Aris? Zodiac sign. Zodiac sign. Aris.
How about me?
Yeah.
Erwin.
Hmm?
Erwin.
Erwin.
Erwin입니다.
와, Erwin입니다. 야, 감사합니다. How about the 막
Pam.
Only Pam.
Pam, your name?
Yes,
Pam입니다.
Just Pam.
Yeah, just Pam이야, Pam. Just call me Mr. To.
To?
To.
T-O-H?
Yeah, To.
To.
Oh, that's my last name, To.
Not sure.
My first name is M Park.
M Park?
Yeah, M Park. No.
M Park.
Yeah, M Park.
M Park.
To.
M Park. To.
M Park. Yeah,
Huh?
M Park. Yeah, Impark. Impark.
Impart.
It's hard to pronounce R. We do have R. Oh, Impark. Yeah, Impark.
M Park.
To.
Okay.
Impark. Impark. To. Last name To.
Mahugas lang.
I don't want to pronounce it. May
Hmm?
seem
Actually, I'm looking here establishment for my business here around here because this is the school, right? School, yeah, UST. UST, a lot of school here around here. And yeah, I'm looking around here establishment for my business.
Dominican.
Yeah, this is I think this is a school also. Yeah, I want to build here Pogo. Hmm? Yeah, Pogo. Hmm?
Pogo business.
Already banned that what? The Pogo?
Yes.
Who said?
It's in the news.
Really?
Yes.
I don't think it's. Yeah. This
Because
is.
it-
This Pogo. This Pogo.
Pogo egg!
Pogo.
Yeah, here Pogo.
It's pronounced Pugo.
Pugo.
Yeah.
Whale egg.
P-U-G-O.
Yeah,
Pugo.
well, like, yeah.
Different to Pogo.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah. My bad.
Just like in Korea, you should also be sensitive to pronunciation of the words
Oh,
in
yeah.
Tagalog.
감사합니다.
Pugo.
Yeah, Pugo. Yeah, Pugo. Yeah.
Kala ko as in Pogo business.
Yeah. Pugo. Oh, yeah. I have a friend in Pampanga, Pogo Farm. Very big Pogo Farm. I like the place here. A lot of beaches here, right?
Beaches?
Yeah, Boracay, you go.
Yes. It's Boracay.
You been Boracay?
No po.
But we also want to visit Korea.
Hmm?
How's Korea?
Korea, 좋아요. I live in Seoul.
Oo.
You know Seoul?
Jeju Island.
Sultan Kudarat. In Mindanao, before I lived there.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're a good joker.
Yeah, I lived in Seoul.
Sir funny also.
Laro.
Sultan Kudarat.
Yeah, you know that. You know it. Yeah. Part of Mindanao. Yeah, I like the place. I lived there before. Yeah, Boracay, very good. Palawan, very good. Yeah, you been Palawan? No. I've been Palawan.
Palawan po siya.
Yeah. Good. Palawan po shop.
Perfect. Laro.
Perfect as ako sabi.
Are you still there?
Ayun.
Pool shop? Yeah, pool shop. Palawan, there's a Palawan pool shop.
Yes.
How about Cebu?
Cebu.
Pacific.
Cebuana.
Cebuana, yes.
Yeah.
2-0.
You know, I have a lot of friends here, very, very funny people. I am always joking to me every day. Yeah, if we are call, yeah, we're always joking. My family live in, yeah,
Where?
New York,
Oh.
Cubao.
Meron ba doon?
3-0.
New York, Cubao. My family stay there.
Ate, iyak na ako.
Can you try to teach me basic Tagalog basic?
Basic Tagalog
Yeah,
phrases.
Any basic Tagalog word? Yeah. I know this. Salamat po.
Salamat po. Kaliwa.
Kaliwa.
Kanan.
Yeah, kanan. 직진하세요. Go straight.
Diretso.
Yeah,
Diretso.
diretso. Yeah, I know diretso.
Abante.
What is abante?
To go forward. Tama ba?
Same,
Abante.
same diretso?
Yes. Di ba abante?
Mali ako.
How about
Mali ka,
pamasahe?
ate.
You know pamasahe?
Fair?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know fair.
Yes.
Good.
Here,
Very good.
Yeah,
Very
here.
good, very
for
good.
fair.
Fair. Para po.
Para po?
Lagot ka sa English dyan.
I know po. Yeah, po.
Para.
Only po. Only
Para. Stop there.
Yes.
Stop
Para.
there. Stop there.
Para po dyan.
Like,
John.
Can you stop it there?
John. Oh, really?
Nadagdagan.
Yeah, pansam nito.
Can you stop there?
Stop the car.
Are you still there pa?
Oo nga, tanong po ba si ma'am?
How about where you going to Tagalog? Where you
Saan
going?
ka pupunta?
Hmm?
Saan ka pupunta?
saan
Sa-
ka punta?
Sa
Ayun na lang. Saan
Sam
ka
ka
punta?
sa puso mo.
할 말이 있지 않을까 이 세상은 너무 복잡해
Ang galing!
Yeah, that's only a joke also. Hmm.
Bili na ako ng kayo.
It's joke, right? It's
Yes.
joke also. Filipino joke. I adopt the joking here, Philippines.
Sige pa.
But this is a very, very secret for me.
What?
Actually, I'm originally from North.
North Korea?
North for view.
Kainis?
Yeah, I live in North for view.
Why is it a secret? Ay, naku, may paganyan pa.
Yeah, here. Yeah, kanay.
Umla.
Yeah.
Para po.
Yeah, what is para po again?
Stop there.
Stop there, yeah.
Stop the car. Stop the car.
Stop na ko.
Yeah, there.
Hmm? Here?
Yeah, here.
Yes.
Right here. Oh, exactly.
Dito lang tayo, no?
Bayad po.
Bayad po,
Ngayong
ayan.
Pinoy po pala kayo.
Meron ka, kuya.
It's a...
Prank!
So, kaway-kaway sa camera.
Ito po.
So, actually, ako po isang content creator. So, okay lang ba isama ko sa content?
Sure po.
Sure
Ano
po.
pong name mo ng ano?
May channel mo, kuya.
Ha?
Channel po ba or TikTok?
Yeah, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok.
Galing nga, very ano, kapanipaniwala yung mga
Yes.
Tapos yung ano pa, yung waves.
Oh, so, na-prank talaga kayo.
Yes.
Ano yung Pogo?
Pogo!
Tsaka ano pa, ang dami, no? Ang daming jokes, no? Pasok. So, wala ba kayo idea na may ganito nagpa-prank? Na
May
nagkukunwaring
feeling
Korean?
na ako kasi walang headdress.
Ako naman,
Hmm.
feeling ko, kung saan-saan ka na nakakarating kuya na, nakakatira.
Hmm?
Sa North Mindanao.
Palipat-lipat? Sultan Kudarat?
Oo, Seoul,
North
Korea.
Fairview? Yan.
Get one and pass.
Nice content, no?
Don Bertos TV.
Yan. Search nyo ako sa YouTube saka sa
Pretender.
Facebook.
Sige po.
Tapos, baka meron kayong shoutout. Ito na.
Shoutout
Shout
sa
out sa
Spotify. Ay, graduating na po
Yes,
kami.
Ay, talaga?
Sorry.
Wow,
Na actually
congrats.
kakatapos lang po ng
Congrats.
graduation pictorial.
Ay,
namin.
talaga. Congrats.
Apo.
At magtatrabaho na kayo?
After.
Opo.
Magtatrabaho na kayo? Mag-asawa na.
Mag-asawa na. Are you still there, pal?
Gising na ba?
So, ayun, nakakas kayo, no? It's a free ride.
Ay!
Mhm. Free ride na.
Bye po.
Wow! Thank you so much po!
Magsa-subscribe na kami ha.
Opo,
Yeah.
kayo na ngayon na sa lahat ng ano, social media.
Yeah.
Abay, yung mga bayad nyo. Akin na lang. Thank
Ay,
you!
nakakaya naman.
Hindi. Actually, nagko-content lang ako ngayong araw na to.
Thank you po.
Kamsahamnida.
Yeah, kamsahamnida.
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 Salamat po. Mm.
Thank you po.
Ingat
Thank
kayo,
you so
ha?
much.
Thank you po. Ingat po.
You're welcome.
Rekta na lang po na yan.
So, thank you po ulit.
Bye-bye.
Napakadalaman po. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yes, success ang ating prank for this afternoon dahil hapon na, uwian na.